Best calorie counting apps. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Myfitnesspal app. It's the right tool to help in achieving your fitness goal. You can manage to track your exercise time and count the calories to get a fit and healthy lifestyle. Thus, there would be alerts to inform you about your workout timings. LooseLT app. It's available in the primary and premium versions to deal with weight and fitness goals. You can track the workout timings and get an alert to keep an eye on your activities. The best app to provide accurate and perfect plans to shape your body. MyNet Diary app. This app will be beneficial in consulting the nutritionist on demand and will maintain your health with proper diet plans. You can track your exercise timings and get the food choices to reduce your weight and increase metabolic activities. Fujikate Calorie Count app. By installing this app, you'll come across many unhealthy food options. It will inform you and protect you from foods that could be harmful to your health. You'll eat and live healthy by using this app. Noom Coach app. Noom Coach is famous for observing and boosting your thoughts on food. You'll eat healthy, and it will provide a list of some beneficial food options and meal plans. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on.